So I was just at the thrift store, what's new, looking for something super specific for my next video. I'm so excited for it. It's all about shoes. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But I came across this, I think it's supposed to be a tablecloth. It's like this thin knit material and I just loved the detail on it and the color, everything about it. Totally reminds me of Tori Burch Spring 2015 ready to wear collection. Oh my gosh, it's like everything about that collection. She has like a few skirts and dresses that totally embody what this material is, and so I just got really inspired. I'm gonna use that inspiration and create something myself. Hopefully I'll be able to make 2 pieces. We'll see. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna try and half the fabric. So I'm folding it in half here just to see how it might work out. So I wanna try and make a wrap skirt and then like a little sweater top type of thing. But I don't know if I'll have enough fabric. So I need to prioritize which one that I wanna do more. I'll definitely have enough for a top. And I think half of the fabric will be more than enough to make a skirt. So, wish me luck. What I did was I just wrapped it around my body, figured out how I liked it on my waist, so I kind of had to add a curve in there a little bit. And then I sewed these ties on right here on each of the edges. I am just going to add a hook and an eye right here so that it won't completely come apart on me when I'm wearing it. Now, onto the top. I know I have enough to make a top, but I kind of wanted to make like a bell sleeve type of sweater, but I don't think I'm gonna have enough for that, so I'm gonna try for a short sleeve version, and if I don't have enough for the sleeves, then it'll just have to be sleeveless. This is what is left that I have to work with for the top, and I'm using my bodice pattern here that I made for reference. I mean, I'm gonna have enough for a top, but the sleeves is what's questionable, so I'm here for the challenge, you know. Oh, I'm here sitting on the floor, just trying to figure this out. So what's messing me up is the pattern. This is my dilemma. I need to figure out what I want, if I want the front to be one solid piece, so I can just fold like this and then like splice the back pieces together with that type of pattern on them, like the long ways. And then I'll just have this on the front. Your girl is stuck. Okay, there's really no other option. So that's what I have to do. I'm gonna splice the back pieces together with that long waist pattern on them and then do the horizontal pattern on the front. It'll look fine.